in your groups. This might be difficult. Do you guys want to go back to Kirsten, please? You need to come to a consensus on 2 questions. A consensus means your group has to agree. Here are the 2 questions. They're yes or no answers, okay? But you should probably try to explain why. The first question is, does air have mass? The second question is, does air have weight? So you need to come to an agreement, a consensus in your classroom. Does air have mass? And does air have weight?
Yes. Air has mass. Air has mass. It does have mass. Weight, I'm not sure. I don't think it weighs. Yeah. We put it like a scale.
We watched this really annoying video in science class last year. But it like had air in a balloon and just dropped the weight of the balloon.
You guys have weight.
But
was it a different kind of
Yes
air?
or no?
no, it was just air.
Okay, you
blew it up. Oxygen, carbon dioxide.
Okay.
So I would think yes. I know for sure it has mass.
Yeah, mass. Yes. Yes, you think it does have weight?
Yes. Yeah.
Alright.
You guys got it?
Yeah.
Everybody agree?
Yep. What is this for? Just for a pumpkin. That's rude.
Don't do that.
No.
Students are they can listen to what you guys are talking about.
Oh.
Not quite, they're in disagreement.
That's actually an amazing idea. Why did I do this?
All right. Hopefully your group came to a consensus, but if not, we're going to do an individual standing activity. So the first question is, does air have mass? Is that what I asked first? Okay, does air have mass? Stand up if you think yes, air has mass. Stay seating if you think it does not. So we have a disagreement. Okay, interesting. All right. Now, stay standing or stand up if you think air has weight. If you think air does not have weight, sit down. If you disagree with that statement, you need to sit down. So air has weight. We are all, you're sitting?
No.
Okay. You all agree that air has weight. Okay, have a seat. If air has weight, wait, are you saying it doesn't have weight?
No, I'm saying it has weight.
You're saying it has weight. Thank you. Why is one of the reasons why you would say it does have weight? Yes, sir.
Everything has weight.
Everything has weight. Every single thing on earth has weight. How do you know?
That chair has weight.
How do you know it has weight? I mean, you can put it on a scale, right?
Yeah.
And you can weigh it.
Yeah.
But there's another reason why we would know things have weight. What about this? Is air mass? I mean, does air have mass?
Yes.
What is air made out of?
Atoms.
Particles. So air is made out of particles. So you would agree, even though this coffee is mostly gone, it is still full of air.
Yes.
So it is, yep, it is always full of something. Even though I can't see it, it's full of particles. Air particles and coffee drips. Sir?
Well, if air is made of particles or has particles in it, don't particles have to weigh something?
Yeah. Can you say that louder, and let's make sure everybody pays attention to that. What was your question?
If particles, or if air has particles in it, don't the particles have to weigh?
So if air has particles, don't particles have to weigh something? Because particles are what? Vocab word?
Particles.
Atoms or molecules.
And atoms and molecules are what? Matter. Particles and molecules and atoms, they are matter, right?
It's just an endless.
So if air is matter, does it have mass? Sure. And if everything we see has matter, then everything has a mass. Now I'm really going to stretch your brain. Prove it. Using materials you find in this classroom, come up with a plan to run an experiment that air has mass. Prove it. Talk to your teammates. Let's see if we can come up with a plan. We're going to carry this into tomorrow, so talk until the bell rings.
Okay, so what if we used
You learn more during it the second time around. Do ya?
I
Yeah.
wonder if we did something
I
like
get better teaching it the further
take a
along I go,
syringe.
except for like 7th hour.
we tape all the little slots on the little pusher thingy jigger on it, so then there's no air in it. The gray part on the syringe, and then we also thank you. We weigh this like this, and then when we put all the air out of it, that's how to find weight. Like that. To see how much weight. What are we doing?
Mass.
Okay. Also, have it like this. Claudia, have it like this. Weigh it, and put the clip.
No, we're not trying to find the weight. We're not trying to find the weight. We're trying to find mass. It has mass.
It's stupid. Obvious. Wait. So if we have to prove it, what if we get a balloon? Yeah. But do you have balloons? Ask you. This one?
Yeah, open it up.
Balloons in there, right? Or did you
There are balloons in there.
You can use the glove.
Okay.
It's true that it exists because otherwise what would be blowing
One of those three. You could plan to use a plastic glove, but I don't want you to do it right now.
who wants to carry a plastic glove?
Who's gonna blow it up?
I'm not.
Not right now, but this thing, you see how it's empty? Yeah. Ready? Then we're like, it's got no mass. And then when you're like, it still has mass.
I found the answer.
No mass.
I found the answer.
Something happened.
How much does air weigh?
Yeah, I bet this was science exercise. I wonder what could possibly be blowing this balloon up.
0.087 pounds.
My ball. Watch how glitchy this is.
Thank you.
Is that from Magic School?
I have to read it.
Taking a trip on Magic School Bus. I have to read it. Do we carry this plastic glove with us?
Anybody got a new solution? What do you think?
Google it.
No, that's not an experiment. Googling it doesn't count. Yes, sir.
So we're thinking you could either take a balloon or a plastic bag. Because we thought that a bottle wouldn't or like a container wouldn't quite work because when you measure it, there's still air in it.
But you could let the air out or put more air into a balloon,
Yeah.
right? Okay. All right, keep going. What do I do with this balloon?
So you take you don't let any air into it. Weigh the balloon, and then you blow it up and see how if it weighs more or if it weighs more.
Ah, interesting. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you could take one of the teeter-totter things, you know?
Scale? Balance? Yep. I knew what you were talking about.
And, like, you just put, like, a really light thing in the other, I don't know, it works out. You just, like, see if it weighs.
Never use it. What are you talking about? It.
The air.
So the air.
The air, and you can see, like, it weighs more than some things.
The air weighs more than some things.
Yeah.
What do I put on the scale?
Paper. You could put, like, little cubes or something.
Little cubes. Do the little cubes contain air? Or am I just measuring the cubes? Okay. We'll keep going. How about we get ready for lunch?
Yay!
Let's hold a snack.